Changing the saw blade on the saw unit. To change the saw blade on the saw unit, you need the following tools. Parallel pin 10 by 90, item number 178785. Torque spanner 5 to 25 Newton meters. Socket for Torx T45 3/8. Gloves, new saw blade. First, position the saw unit at a comfortable working height. Now, secure the saw blade against turning by inserting the straight pin through the saw blade into the hole in the motor plate as a lock. Loosen all screws with the torque. Note: make sure that the saw blade does not fall off the saw flange when removing the last screw. If necessary, clean the motor flange from coarse dirt with a dry cloth. Place the new saw blade on the saw flange. Pay attention to the correct direction of rotation. Now, tighten all the screws, only slightly. Secure the saw blade again against turning with the straight pin. The saw blade must now be tightened in 2 passes to the tightening torque specified on the saw blade. Keep to the given sequence and start with number 1. Make absolutely sure that you remove the locking pin again.